In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows and columns in LibreOffice Calc. Freezing rows and columns is a simple way to keep your headers visible while you scroll through large spreadsheets. This is especially useful when you have long lists of data and you don't want to lose track of what each column or row represents. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along and apply it right away. First, launch LibreOffice Calc. Open the program the way you normally do on your system. Once Calc is open, either open an existing spreadsheet you want to work with, or create a new, blank one. If you're just testing this out, you might type some labels across the top row, like column headers, and a few sample entries below, so you can clearly see the effect as you scroll. To freeze the top row, go to the View menu at the top of the window. From there, choose Freeze Cells. In the sub-menu that appears, click Freeze First Row. As soon as you do this, the very first row becomes anchored in place. You'll usually notice a subtle dividing line beneath that row. Try scrolling down with your mouse or trackpad. No matter how far you go, that first row stays visible at the top of the sheet, making it easy to keep your headers in sight while you review or edit data below. Next, let's freeze the first column. Again, go to the View menu. Select Freeze Cells. Then click Freeze First Column. Now the far left column is anchored, and you'll see a vertical dividing line to the right of it. Scroll horizontally to the right, and you'll see that the first column doesn't move, which is perfect for keeping row labels or IDs visible as you compare values across many columns. If you've applied both options, the first row and the first column will remain visible at all times. This combo is great for wide and tall sheets because it keeps your context locked in place while you navigate. You can still edit cells in the frozen areas. Frozen just means they stay fixed on screen as you move around the rest of the sheet. That's all there is to it. Open your spreadsheet, use the View menu, choose Freeze Cells, and pick either Freeze First Row, Freeze First Column, or both as needed. This small adjustment can make a big difference in accuracy and speed when you're working with large datasets. Thanks for watching. Practice these steps on one of your sheets, and you'll have a cleaner, more efficient view in no time.